Hello, my name is Fivos Kefalonitis, and this video is about one of the projects that I have been working on during the past year. The project's name is Picawk, and this is just an overview of the basic features. I'm not going to get into technical details here. A lot of information is stored in the form of text contained in images, like document images. Without doubt, social networking, the advent of media devices like smartphones and tablets, and of course ubiquitous internet, generate a lot of images. With so much information around, needs for annotation arise. Picawk is a program that employs OCR and image processing in order to annotate and edit text contained in images. You basically provide your keyword and the filter that you want, and it applies it to your image. Let's see a practical example of it. Here I'm specifying the keyword to be idea and the filter to be rectangle. This is our original image. This is an image. This is not text. And this is the output image after the effect has been applied to it. So you can see that Picawk has located the keyword idea and applied a red rectangle around it. Picawk gets its name from the fusion of the words picture and awk. Awk is the classical Unix utility and the language for processing files of text. Picawk's logo is conveniently Picawk's feather. This is the architecture of Picawk. You basically feed it with your input image and your options, and it outputs an image which has the filter that you selected, applied. These are the arguments that Picawk takes: the OCR engine, the source image, the keyword, occurrence, filter, and the extras, which are dependent on the filter. Let's explain what each of these are. Each of these is. So Picawk has wrappers around two OCR engines, around GOCR and Tesseract. They are both open source OCR engines. Tesseract is currently the best open source OCR engine that you can find. And I separate Tesseract into TessCar and TessWords. The difference is that the tokenization in TessCar happens on the character level, whereas in TessWords it happens on the word level. Let's see what that means. Here you see that I have highlighted the keyword A, and it highlights it even if it is part of another word, or if it is a word by itself. With TessWords, it only highlights the occurrences that are a word by themselves. Occurrences are basically the instances of the same keyword found more than once in the image. You can specify the occurrence to be first, last, all, or least. Let's see a practical example. I'm putting a rectangle around the keyword I. This is the first occurrence, which means the first I that it finds in this image. This is the last occurrence. This is the case where all occurrences are selected and list. The user specifies the index here. Let's see an overview of the available filters. The filters are separated into two categories: the annotation filters and the editing filters. I will step through each one so you can understand what each of them does. For every image, I'm using the keyword idea every time with a different filter each time. So this is the output image when the filter is a rectangle. This is when the filter is circle, arc, mosaic, blur, underline, strike through, strike X, highlight, and color word. Next are the editing filters. Delete, insert, and replace. As you can see, delete results into the word into the word idea to be removed. Insert lets you construct your own words out of characters of the original image. This is done without knowing the font beforehand. This is done dynamically. So this is an Einstein quote. So I have gone and inserted the word Einstein into the image. The replace filter, here as you can see, I have replaced the word hope with the word food. To discuss a bit on the interfaces I have built around Picawk, that is how you can access Picawk. There are two local interfaces, which is the command line interface and the GTK GUI. GTK is portable, so that means you can run it on OS X, Linux or Windows, and two remote interfaces, which is the website and the iPhone and Android port. All these communicate with the Picawk backend. Let's see each of them in a practical demonstration, in a practical example. So this is my terminal. I'm going to type Picawk engine test car as source image Bell PNG, occurrence is all, keyword art, filter rectangle, color purple, and stroke 2. Stroke is how wide the line is. So you see, this is our image, and Picawk goes and locates the keyword art and puts a rectangle, a purple rectangle around it.